Thanks for that. Today in Hendricks County, the first day of the trial for the man accused of killing a state trooper with a stolen vehicle. This man right here, Eddie Jones, is charged with intentionally hitting Trooper Aaron Smith back in 2023. Although his lawyers say all of that is not true.
We expect the jury to hear those arguments over the next 2 weeks. Fox 59's Russ McQuaid has been in the courtroom since opening statements started this morning. He joins us now live with the very latest.
Well, good afternoon. Well, did Eddie Jones intentionally run down Trooper Aaron Smith, or was it an accident, or was Trooper Smith in the wrong place at the wrong time? Those are the questions that are going to be answered by a jury here inside the Hendricks County Courthouse. This is Jones walking into the Hendricks County Courthouse this morning. More than 2 years after the stolen vehicle he was driving swerved and struck Trooper Aaron Smith, who was deploying stop sticks on Ronald Reagan Parkway at I-70 on June 28, 2023. Jurors first heard from Trooper James Williams, who was in the lead as 2 state troopers pursued Jones and 2 other people in the stolen SUV from Kentucky Avenue, then along Ameriplex Parkway and into Hendricks County. The state argues that Jones could have pulled over and surrendered at any time. While vehicle theft is a felony, Jones also hit a police car and another vehicle before fleeing. After pulling a U-turn to evade the pursuing troopers, Jones's vehicle approached the overpass above I-70 at the exact moment Trooper Smith entered the roadway to deploy his stop sticks. Smith then retreated just as Jones swerved and struck him. The defense argues that Jones was actually heading for the freeway on-ramp in an attempt to head home to St. Louis. Under cross-examination, Trooper Williams admitted that he was surprised Trooper Smith entered the roadway to deploy the tire deflation device, and that state police training and procedure is for a trooper to typically stay behind a car to avoid being struck by an approaching vehicle. During the showing of INDOT camera video of the fatal collision, members of Trooper Smith's family left the courtroom.
I've been with friends that have had loss over the years. I've been there for other people, and now I've experienced what that loss feels like. And all I can do is turn to the Lord.
Jurors heard testimony from a teenage girl who was in Jones's car that evening. She said she heard Jones say, "I got this," just before he struck the trooper. The jurors also saw the dash cam video from Trooper Smith's patrol vehicle, but what they heard was the squeal of Jones's tires, the thump of the collision, and the sirens of the approaching Indiana State Troopers rolling up on the scene. In Hendricks County, Russ McQuaid, Fox 59 News.